Em here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to do another improv video. This is one of my favorite methods, and all the quilts behind me use this method. Today I'm going to show you how to do an improv basket. I thought with Easter coming up that would be fun. Here is a quilt that I'm currently playing with that uses this method. Thanks for watching my video. Remember, if you like it, to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. All right, to make a wonky basket, we're going to want 2 rectangles or squares, and this will make 2 blocks, and you can vary your size depending on what size you want your basket. This is improv, so we just get to play. And then you're going to want 2 rectangles or squares that are as tall as your basket ones, but the width can vary. And then you're just going to want some more of that background fabric that will be the top of our basket here. And then some kind of rickrack or bias tape to make our handle. So our first step is to stack our basket fabrics on top of each other. And then we're going to take one of our backgrounds and we're going to stick it on there. It's going to have some overlap here. It's not right on top. Can you see? Okay, and then we're going to take this and we're going to do a cut at the angle that we want our basket. We can do a sharp cut and have it have a point, more pointed like this, or we can have it have more of a base. That's, you get to decide how you want. First, I'm going to move this over just a little bit because that will give me more of this for my other side. These will be for both of the baskets. So we're going to cut. This is, you have a little bit of waste. You can use that as a star point on a wonky star if you want. I have a tutorial for that also. I'll put a card above for that. So this will go with this one, and we're just going to flip this down like this, and this will go for this one for our baskets. And we're just going to overlap here, make sure we have a 1/4 inch here, and we're going to sew our 1/4 inch along this seam on both of them. Once we get it sewn, we're just going to press. I'm going to press to the background because that's just the easiest way for me to press. And I always press to the path of least resistance. And then we're going to stack these up again. And we're going to take our background here, line that up, and we're going to once again just do a cut. So this will go with this one, and this will go with this one. And we're just going to right sides together, make sure we have our 1/4 inch right along here, and then we're going to sew along this line. Once we get them sewn, we're once again going to press to the background, and then we're going to measure our blocks. So this is 4 3/8, and I'm going to take some of this fabric here. I'm going to cut that. This will be the height of my basket minus a 1/2 inch. And then I'm going to I just want it as wide as my basket is. And then you can take your rickrack or your trim. I have this blue here that I think looks cute with the blue that's in here. And I'm just going to put it on here and kind of turn it around. And you can pin it or glue it in place. We're going to take that to the sewing machine and we're just going to top stitch that down. So then we're just going to take our top and our bottom, we'll line it up, it's going to look like that. And then we're going to flip right sides together and sew a 1/4 inch along here. And then you end up with these cute little basket blocks. They're kind of fun. You could use them like at Easter or just a fun basket quilt. They could be beach pails for sand castles if you want to do something that way. So it's just a fun little block to make. Thanks for watching my video. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.